Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Look Out, Luther! Ice cream for everyone who helps me take the groceries out of the car, Mom says. We'll help you, Mom, says Sarah and Luther. Look out, Luther. Watch where you're walking, Mom says.
Ow!
I hear a motorbike, says Luther. I don't hear a motorbike, says Sarah, looking around. A motorbike zooms past. You're very good at hearing, Luther, says Sarah. Look out, Luther, yells Sarah, as he steps into a puddle. Look how wet you are, says Mom. Gran's cooking, says Luther. How do you know? Asks Sarah. I can smell her cooking, says Luther, sniffing the air. You're also good at smelling, Mom says. When they get back into the house, Luther bumps into the door. Look out, Luther, Mom says.
Ow!
Luther's not so good at looking, says Sarah. Mum takes Luther to the eye doctor. What do you see, Luther? Asks the doctor. Luther squeezes his eyes together. He sees black squiggles on the wall. He then looks through a pair of glasses. I see letters, he says. Excellent, says the doctor. Look at me, Gran, says Luther. You have glasses, she says, clapping her hands. How wonderful! Tell me what you see. Gran, your face has cracks, says Luther, touching her face. Those aren't cracks, Luther. They're lines from getting old and laughing at all the funny things you say. Luther is excited. I see everything now, he says. Let's go outside and play. Look out for that puddle, Luther, says Dad. Don't, says Sarah. It's too late, laughs Luther. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.